In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot outbound calling and explain how HubSpot calling works. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to leverage its calling features, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step so that you can start making efficient business calls right from your HubSpot account. To get started, head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is where you'll find all the tools and software you need to streamline your business processes. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log in. If you're already a HubSpot user, simply enter your credentials to access your account. For those creating an account for the first time, follow the prompts to set one up. Logging in is your gateway to accessing all of HubSpot's robust features, so make sure you have your login details handy. Upon logging in, navigate to the HubSpot home. This is your central hub for managing your account and accessing all of the features that HubSpot provides. It's also the launching pad for the next steps in setting up your outbound calling feature. Once on the HubSpot homepage, click on Settings. The Settings area is where you can customize and tailor HubSpot to better fit your business needs. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Calling. Click on this option to start configuring your calling options. HubSpot's calling feature is a powerful tool that can greatly enhance how your sales and customer service teams interact with clients and prospects. After clicking on calling, you'll see a prompt to get started. This is the step where you'll begin the actual setup of your outbound calling functionalities. It's designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through each necessary configuration. HubSpot may prompt you to purchase additional calling credits or upgrade your account for advanced calling features. In such a case, click on Buy Now to proceed with selecting the plan that best suits your needs. Keep in mind that while HubSpot offers a generous amount of features in their free plan, upgrading can unlock even more powerful capabilities, allowing you to make more calls and access advanced analytics. To recap, we started by logging into HubSpot, navigated to the homepage, accessed the settings, and from there selected the calling feature. We finalized the process by getting started with the setup and assessing whether an upgrade was necessary for our specific needs. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to seamlessly integrating HubSpot's calling feature into your daily operations. So thank you for joining us today as we explored HubSpot's outbound calling setup. Feel free to drop any questions or comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy calling.